विलियम शेक्सपियर, आपने नाम सुना होगा, अर्थात द mightiest writer in English. Shakespeare was born 23 April 1561 and died 23 अप्रैल 1616। कहाँ में? दिस इज एट WARWIC एट वार्विक। वार्विक इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंग्लैंड। एज a writer, his father, this is father of William Shakespeare, John Shakespeare, this is father, and this one Shakespeare mothers. Arden, ARDEN, अर्थात Mary Arden mother. Now his wife Annie Hathaway, this is wife. और शेक्सपियर has 3 children. He had 3 children. First, SUSSAIN, Susan. This one, Hamlin, and third one, Judy. Father, mother, wife, and 3 children. Shakespeare had his own beloved, and this is, he called him the lady. And one more, his very close friend, and this is William Hubbard. These are the basic knowledge of Shakespeare. You should remember these all points one by one about Shakespeare and Shakespeare's life. His literary career extended for 32 years, from 1590 to 1612. This is total 22 years. In My Salome, during 22 years, he wrote 154 sonnets to Lord poems and 37 play, or you can say drama. 37 play. He wrote classification of his work. शेक्सपियर ने तो अपने प्ले लिखे है, उनका क्लासिफिकेशन ये है 1, 2, 3, 4. First 2, 3, 4. First 1590 to 1595. Second 1596 to 1600. Third 1601 to 1608. And last one 1608 to 1612. This is the classification of his literary career. Now, plays or drama. He wrote 37 plays, and this is classification of his play. First, classical plays. Second, historical plays. Third, tragedy, tragedy, and fourth one, comedy, comedy. These are the 37 plays. This is Shakespeare literary one. And all the plays, 37 plays, are based on all plays based on love. So you can say that love is the central theme of Shakespeare play. So you can say that love is the central theme of his all plays. This is William Shakespeare.